Am I visible?
Yes.
Okay, this is the evening time. So first of all, good evening. How are you?
Good evening to you. I'm okay. What about you?
I'm also okay to see you, to
Okay.
see your face. Sorry, today I'm very tired, so sometimes I forget what I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay,
And what's
because
the
we are meeting first time, so I want to know about yourself little bit.
okay, okay. As you know, my name is Akanksha, and I'm talking from Delhi. And
Hmm.
in this time, I have a small YouTube channel where I post conversation video and shorts video. And if
Hmm.
I talk about my qualification, I have completed my post graduation in political science before marriage, and
Hmm.
my hobbies are listening music, cooking, and rest of the time I do whatever I want. Yes,
Okay.
that's all about.
Do you have kids? Do you have
Yes,
kids? Okay.
I
One
have
or two?
two
Two
kids.
kids. Both are boys or one boy, one girl? Both are girls.
Uh, no, no, no. One girl and one boy.
Okay. Good. Now I'm telling about myself. I'm Tanya. I'm connecting with you from Rajasthan. And in Rajasthan, I'm living in Jaipur. In my family, me, my husband, and my daughter. She is right now in fifth standard, and right now she is in the school. After some time, she will come back. That's all
Okay.
about me. And my favorite hobby, watching movies. This time it is my favorite hobby, you can say. And my second hobby to play badminton with my daughter.
And education.
And I love.
What
I'm
about your?
also. I have done BSc, and after that I have done I have done MA in political science.
Okay.
So that is all about me.
Good to know. Good to
So
know about yourself. You have also done in political science post graduation. Same time, same thing. I have also done.
yeah. And so today we are discuss a topic. And this topic is very simple topic. Like what are the advantages and disadvantages of being homemaker?
Okay.
So can you tell me in your own way?
Homemaker, homemaker,
Yeah.
and
First of all, we will discuss about homemaker because sometimes topic can be very lengthy. So first we will talk about what is the benefits of being homemaker. Like we both are, I think homemaker. So there are some benefits and some you can say disadvantages also. We can
yes,
elaborate.
yes. I feel both things because if you think about your family, if you think about your family and making new relationship, that time you should go with the homemaker, because homemaker is a very good thing. Some ladies think about homemaker is not a good thing, just I'm
Mm-hmm.
cooking, just I'm doing my house chores work whole day, it is not good thing. But I think about homemakers, it is a proud thing, because you are doing such a nice work. You are
Mm-hmm.
doing a lot of work for your family, for your all people who live with you, and who you take care of them, and
Hmm.
you don't have extra time for doing yourself. This is the good thing. You don't take any leaves in a week, but people do, they take leaves in a week, 2 days they take leave. But when you talk about a homemaker, they don't take any leave, they keep doing work all the time. This is the
Yeah.
very good thing, and nobody can deny about homemaker is not good. She live in a at home the whole day, she is taking rest, something she can do, and rest of the time they take can rest. Most of the people, even husband sometimes says that.
Hmm. Yeah.
Husband also sometimes says that what do you do whole day, but they don't think about all those homemaker. We have a lot of work at home, if you think.
Hmm. You know,
So,
sometimes homemakers also lost their identity, what they are. You
yes,
know,
yes, this is
they
the
are all life, that devoted, you can say dedicated to their children, their husband, and sometimes they feel very isolated in the family. I
yes.
think everyone, everyone, I think one time, everyone has faced this phase of this thing that I am isolated sometimes. But homemaker can give 100%, you can say, their effort to their family, their kids. And
Yes,
these time, homemaker all time, you can say she's all around their children, their husband, what they like, what they don't like.
yes, 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 of course. We should take care of them. What
Or
they
yeah,
like, what they don't like, these things we
yeah,
have to.
all 7 days we are very, sometime I always, it's my opinion. I always think what they will eat today, what they will eat tomorrow, but I never think what I will eat today, what I will eat tomorrow. Sometimes I
Yes,
really feel that I forget what are my what are my likes, what are my dislikes, you know.
this is the main thing, no? Ladies who are who considered about their self, I'm a homemaker. This is the good thing. They don't think about their like and dislike. They don't, just they compromise their self.
Yeah,
But it's not good thing. Sometimes we should live with ourselves.
yeah.
And
So,
I
well,
I I don't think about others, ladies. I don't, but I always compromise myself because I am. Sometime I want to cook something for me, but I compromise myself because of my. Sometime I feel I don't have extra time. That's why I don't cook for myself. Just I
yeah,
cook for my children whatever they want, and sometime
yeah,
I cook for my husband whatever they want to eat. But I don't feel just I have to cook food for myself. No, I don't. And yes,
yeah.
it should be for ourselves also.
And second drawback is most of the homemakers are not independent. They are, you can say, fully depend on their husband. Most of the family I have seen. I'm also dependent on my husband.
What do you
But
think? What do you think about it? You should depend on him, or just you have to do such some others work outside. It means job. What do you think?
yeah, if I got a good chance, I will definitely do. And I'm
Yes.
also trying like work from home type work.
Yes,
But
I'm also looking for work from home, but unfortunately I did not find any job which is we can
most
do
of
at home.
the work from home are scam. Most of
And most of the
them.
lady wants to do their job at home, but it is not possible.
This topic is we have discussed, and the another topic is working women. What are the advantages and what are the disadvantages?
This one, okay, working women, what you are talking.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, working woman is a very good thing. I can say that because when you do any work, that time you feel comfortable. You feel about
yeah,
yourself. No, I have a some power in my hand. I can do
mhm,
whatever I want to do, and because you don't
yeah,
depend on your husband now.
yeah,
And sometimes we need, when we don't do any work, that time we need to some money, that time we have to say I need some money, please give
yeah,
me. But when you do any job, that time you can't say something, I need money, but because you have a
Yeah,
already money, you can spend your money wherever you want, and you can make your life as you want. It means
yeah,
you can you can expand your money whenever you want, wherever you want. And this is not any extension to someone interrupt you why you are spending your money. No, because
yeah,
you are earning yourself. This is the main thing. And I
yeah.
can say that after marriage, I have seen most of the lady after marriage, they have a thought, um, why I am why I should do any work because my husband is doing good job. What is the need of doing job? Most of the lady think about it, but I am not a lady who wants to think like. But I always consider myself I have to do any work, but unfortunately I couldn't get any job. This is the main and most main reason I didn't have any job so far because of my younger kids.
Yeah.
Because of my younger kids, that's why
You
I
know,
couldn't.
kids responsibility is a very big responsibility. If you don't have any elder in your house, then all responsibilities. All are assuming that mother takes to this responsibility. She should stay at home. This is the conception of Indian society.
Yes, yes, of course. And
But there is a drawback of working women, disadvantages of working women. I have seen so many working women who are working in the office also and as well as home also. They are, play dual role in their life. After that, they becoming very tired. They have no time for their husbands, for their kids, and sometimes they are facing some health issues also because they
yes,
have don't get sufficient time for their some yoga practice, some meditation. They are all time occupied with their work because in India there is timing of most of the offices timing is 9 to 6. After that they come back home, and after that they also working in the home also. They are cooking, they are doing whatever work in the home they are doing. So these are the disadvantages of being a working woman. And
and some
mhm,
yes.
you can continue.
Okay, sometime I feel a person, a lady who are doing any job, that time they can't give their time for their family, and even they can't give their time for husband. And
Yeah,
sometime whenever with a come across with the new relatives, that time she don't have any extra time for giving them for their relatives
yeah.
who are coming at home. That time it is a very, I feel, disadvantage, because she has no any time, extra time for giving for relationship for their kids. These are the
You
things
know,
which.
I have personally seen this. Most of the working ladies, which have their children also, the children are not so much, mother children relationship. It is not build up.
Yes.
Yes, I have seen this. They are, in हिंदी कह सकते हैं कि वो दोनों आपस में काफी दूर दूर हो जाते हैं, मदर एंड बच्चे. ऐसा मुझे लगा है. आई फील.
Yes, of
डू
course,
यू?
because when you go for office and your kids are take care of others people, that time you feel some distance from your kids,
Yeah,
and your kids also feel like this. And that
yeah,
time, if you don't catch that time, it means you feel regret in your
yeah,
future. Why I didn't give my time for my kids? Why didn't I spend my time for my kids? Because this time, when you spend your time with your kids, that time it's a very most important time if you
yeah,
spend with kids. And and they also remember this moment forever, and you also remember this time forever. You can't forget. But when you doing any job, that time it is not possible to giving your time for your kids, for your husband,
Yeah,
and for relationship, any relationship. Even you can't make a call
yeah.
for a long time.
They are
It's a
fully exhausted. They are fully exhausted.
yes. Even you don't
So
have
these are,
self any time. You can't
yeah,
do, you can't take care of your health, you can't
yeah.
proper way.
They don't get time. Most of the time they are busy.
Yes,
After
this
coming back, they are, engaging in the kitchen.
kitchen, just cooking, sleeping,
Yeah,
and then you have to go to your office. That's it.
yeah, yeah. I am
This
agree
is
with you. So some drawbacks are also being a working woman, and some benefits are also being a working woman. So we have discussed the both topics in a very well manner. Okay, bye bye.
why. Nice to talk with you. A lovely talking.
Same here, same here.